Good afternoon. A busy Albuquerque court is facing changes after security shifts and an increase in problems with people going to hearings. News 13's Natasha Lynn is live at District Court this afternoon at 4th and Lomas with details on these changes. Natasha?
Dean, the District Court is reducing hours for certain in-person departments. They're also changing the way certain cases will be formatted, whereas some will be virtual, really depending on what kind of hearing it is. This comes after the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office is adjusting staffing practices here at court.
They're operational changes at one of the state's busiest courts in an effort to maintain security. Starting Monday, Bernalillo County District Court is waiting until the afternoon to open some services, eliminating morning hours for the main and domestic violence branches of the clerk's office, where people file cases and pay fees.
And so what they have done is close the clerk's office in the morning and opened it in the afternoon so that there's enough security there for jurors, potential jurors, and families of criminal defendants in trials and things like that.
The changes come after recent security incidents.
We're seeing increased threats to the judiciary sort of nationwide, and we don't take security lightly. We have got to protect the folks that are coming in there. And so we're forced to adjust right now until staffing gets back to the level that it should be at.
In January, several people jumped over a railing during a hearing, getting in a fist fight with a defendant and a security officer. The Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office runs security for the court and says it's just one of several incidents this year. Meanwhile, they say it's been harder to hire court security staff, which pays about $10 less an hour than other deputy positions.
It's a very difficult thing for us to just recruit exclusively for court security, unless someone really wants to only work, day shift, weekends off.
Another change, civil, family, and children's court case hearings will all be held remotely for the time being.
We will be working with the courts to try and adjust staffing as instances allow. So if they have a high-profile case and they're concerned for particular instances or for the safety of the public or the employees, and we can increase those staffing levels for those particular events.
The changes will primarily affect District Court here on Lomas and Children's Court on 2nd Street. Back to you.
All right, Natasha, thank you. So far, the District Court says the operational changes should last at least through August 2nd. That's for the next 2 weeks. The Sheriff's Office has taken nearly 6,000 security calls at District Court just this year alone.